US, UK, and Germany indices after a sharp drop, specifically across the US and the Germany indices in the last trading session last week, now have started the week with a slight recovery. Can we expect the indices to continue in this recovery mode today? Can we expect a further more rise? Or there is a possibility of a reversal and bearishness? What is going to happen and how we can profit trading the Nasdaq, the Dow, the DAX, and the FTSE? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Thus, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Else, join the free Telegram channel for live updates or join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we look into the US indices with Nasdaq and Dow, followed with DAX, and in the end, the FTSE 100 was till the end. Look at the move on the hourly charts. 17,860, very very good support, and you can see if you connect the dots, higher lows, higher highs are observed. This is still a moderately bullish channel, thus it is very very important for FTSE 100 to drop, for the Nasdaq 100 to drop below 17,900, 17,860 zone today in order to stable. Now what has happened here? See, 17,860, 17,920, 17,950. So higher lows are definitely seen after the drop. Now it is under retracement. Now where are the resistances for Nasdaq 100? You can find out. First, the 20-50 period moving average sitting at around 18,080. Then the 50 and 100 period moving average, which are also crossing over at 18,130 levels. So now it is very very important for Nasdaq 100 to first break this zone 18,080, 18,120, and then 18,150. If these three levels are taken, then we can say there could be a stronger rise in Tech 100 moving towards 18,250 plus plus. So yes, we can initiate a buying entry at 18,080, but with caution here. Stochastic has dropped a bit. MACD has crossed over at the bottom. It can continue to rise. It can try to yield slight bullish candle. RSI staying flat. On the 2-hour charts also, the observation is similar here after the drop under retracement. Remember, these highs are yet not broken, so it is under retracement, and thus a breakout is going to be sharper one. Be watchful of this right now under retracement. On the upside, look at the resistances here and look at the resistances here, and that is why I say as long as 18,150, 160 is not taken, we should not be treating Nasdaq 100 as bullish. Stochastic rising, MACD is extremely bearish. It should try to converge and crossover, though it is right now not showing much bullishness or strength. RSI flat, and on the 3-hour charts also the observation is similar, nothing different. Here also stochastic is rising, MACD is bearish. On the 4-hour charts, likewise, similar observation. Here also stochastic was oversold, trying to recover. The MACD here is bearish. Now coming to day. Now look at daily charts. Three candles with higher lows. Three candles with higher highs. This candle has erased all the gains here. Now what has happened? Higher lows are observed. Thus the breakout is going to be stronger. You have to wait for a breakout, which means today Nasdaq 100 has to drop below 18,000, then 17,950, and then in any case if you see it is staying below 17,860, consider a sharper drop is awaited. Else what is happening after the drop? It is trying to retrace 20 period moving average at around 18,120, then median of the Bollinger Bands at around 18,180 levels exist. So considering this, before I give you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can be part of my 30th mentorship batch starting today itself. You can still get all the tools, techniques, strategies, and the trade setups if you join today in our mentorship batch. This is the 30th batch. Do not miss. Cherish the learning for life, with the help of which you can trade profitably and comfortably. Else, you can be part of my signals channel where trading as per the signals you can benefit. So write an email or ping me on Telegram for any of your queries. And those who are looking forward for a safe, secure broker with global presence, with the easier transactions and withdrawal, and with which offers a swap free account with the lowest spreads. Yes, do not waste your money by paying higher spreads elsewhere. You can just join the broker and enjoy the benefits. Now, considering this for the day, I will recommend you to buy Nasdaq 100 only and only if you see the lower prices above 18,080. But remember, it has got very, very, very stronger resistances on the upside: 18,100, 120, 150, 160, then 200, 220. Very strong resistance. What should I say? Every 20 points is there. You have to just keep trailing. And yes, only above 18, 200, 250, you can say it is reversing, and it can completely erase the losses from the day before. That is the last trading day. Yes, it can completely erase the losses and can move towards 18,330 as well. Chances for which appears to be less. What I see is at best today could be retracement, and then from tomorrow onwards again a reversal cannot be denied. On the downside, you can sell here at 18,020, but then 18,000, 17,970, 17,940, two levels it needs to break. If it does stay below 17,940, stay bearish. We are looking forward to 17,900, 862 levels. And if at any point of time 17,860 is taken, you can say that a crash is awaited here for Tech 100. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at Dow. US30 on the hourly charts formed a double bottom, rise, retracement, and a reversal sign. It is trying to rise again. If you see it staying above 38 100 levels, you can initiate a buying entry. Wait for 38 150 levels to be taken, and then we can expect it to rise more towards 38 190, 38 300 levels, 280 or 300 levels. Now see what has happened. If you look at the movement, drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop, and it could retrace. Where are the highs of the channel? Somewhere here at around 38 250. That could be the maximum it can try to rise. Stochastic after the drop trying to recover. MACD is also trying to recover after the drop. RSI trying to rise as well. Coming to two similar observation, at best it can try to move towards the 20 period and the median of the Bollinger Band sitting at around 38 200, 38 300 zone, which is going to be the next resistance zone on the upside, and these are definitely achievable levels. Stochastic here is also rising. The MACD is bearish trying to converge. RSI is flat. And on the 3 hour, we can see similar observation here. Just it needs to break beyond 38 100 in order to confirm the further bullish momentum. Stochastic is rising. MACD is bearish, and it is trying to converge. RSI is coming out of the oversold levels. Coming to 4 hour, similar is the observation here on the 4 hour charts at the top. Retracement, drop, retracement, drop, retracement, and it could retrace again. If you look at the stochastic is here is also oversold. The MACD is also trying to recover. Now coming to the daily charts, the important one. On the daily charts, you can see the bearishness has increased and it has yielded consistent red candles. Now the last candle has moved outside Bollinger Bands. It is trying to consolidate it a bit. Moving averages are now far above 39,000 levels and 38,800 levels. And see, the moving averages are crossing over here. What it may try to do at best is deliver lower highs and consolidate its position. It means even if it tries to rise, first resistance at 38 200 300 zone, and then 38 400 500 zone. Only reversal confirmation if you see US30 staying above 38 500. So what you can do, take a buying entry at 38 100, wait for 130 160 200 levels to be taken, then 240 and then 300. If these levels are, the bullish momentum is going to increase, and then US30 may erase all the losses from this candle. On the downside, I will recommend a sell at 38,000 levels, but then 37 950 first resistance. If you see it is staying below 37 950, stay short. We will look forward to 37 8, and below 37 800 is where the bears will take over. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at DAX or Germany 40. And yes, if you want to learn this art, do not miss to join the 30th mentorship batch starting today, and join the signals channel, and we are trading as per the signals. You can so write an email or ping me on Telegram. Now look at DAX here. Similar observation on the DAX. After the drop, it is under retracement. Lower highs, lower lows are seen here. Support at 17,840, is strong, and it is trying to recover. Now see, the upside, the body size is smaller, thus a breakout is going to be stronger. If it shows a breakout beyond 17,930 zone, stay bullish. We can look forward to a move towards 18,000 18,020 at the first target, 18,050 18,060 as the next target. And if it stays above 18,050 60 zone, more bullishness can be seen. Stochastic overbought, MACD crossing over here at the bottom, trying to stay bullish rise. RSI flat, coming to 2 hours. Similar is the observation. Only thing as I am observing is the bullishness has certainly diminished here, and you can see 2 to 3 candles getting resistance here. So what you can do, you can buy here at 17,930 levels, wait for 17,960 980 zone as the first, 18,020 as the next, and beyond that more bullish momentum can be seen. Yes, a convergence towards 2050 period. See, moving averages are trading with divergence, lower highs, lower lows. Highs of this channel somewhere here at around 18,120 150 levels. Stochastic rising, MACD is bearish trying to converge, RSI is rising. Coming to 3-hour chart, similar observation on the 3-hour charts as well. At possible, we can look forward to 18,000 levels at least. Stochastic is also trying to rise and MACD is also trying to recover here. So it appears under retracement, a little retracement cannot be denied. It can comfort the oversold indicators, and from those levels a recovery can be expected. So yes, on the 4-hour charts also similar is the observation. It appears 18,000 levels it may try to hit. Here also indicators are trying to recover a bit. Coming to daily charts, on the daily charts you can find out a support is seen here at 17,840 and it is trying to recover from the support levels. Also series of 4 bearish candles are seen, thus we can see couple or more bullish candles here. It can try to move towards 18,100 levels before reversing here. Stochastic oversold, MACD extremely bearish, RSI flat. Thus, considering this, I will recommend you to buy here at 17,930. Wait for 17,960, 18,000 levels to be taken. 17,960, 17,980 and 18,000 very very good resistance exist here. Beyond 18,000 we can look forward to 18,040, 50 and then 18,100 levels. On the downside, a selling entry I will recommend is only and only, you see DAX staying below 17,870, 840 zone. At 870 you can take a sell entry, but then 840 it needs to break in order to confirm a drop, and then below that more bearishness is going to be observed. Take your positions accordingly. Let's have a look at UK100. UK100 today is struggling between the two key levels 7960 and 7940, or rather I will say 7935. We know that these are going to be great support and resistance levels. Now also on the upside, see 7960 20 and 50 period moving average are crossing over here. So yes, you can buy here at 7960, but then you have to wait for 7980 to be taken in order to confirm further rise. Stochastic near to overbought, MACD trying to converge, crossover for buys, RSI is staying flat. On the 2-hour charts, similar is the observation on the 2-hour charts as well. Here also indicators are trying to cover up a bit after the sharp drop. On the 3-hour charts, you can clearly see the 20 period moving average, and 7960 is the hurdle it needs to break in order to stay bullish. Stochastic here is also oversold, MACD is bearish here and RSI is flat, while on the 4-hour chart similar indications are seen here. On the 4-hour charts here, see the MACD is still having little bearishness as it is trading with divergence on the downside. Coming to now, look at daily charts. Support is seen here, trying to stay in this after the drop, trying to stay in this retracement zone. It has to break beyond 7960, 7980, 8000 levels. If 8000 is taken, it is not to be treated bearish. It is going to rise strongly. Stochastic dropping here, MACD bearish and RSI flat. So looking at this, I will recommend you to buy FTSE 100 only and only if you see the lower prices staying above 7960 you can buy. However, 7970, 7980 levels, very good resistance here, then 8000 and 8020. If these levels are taken in succession, just stay bullish for the record highs at 8050, chances of which appears to be less. On the downside, I will recommend a sell entry at 7935 where you can expect 7920, 7900 and 7880. If these three levels are taken, then we can say UK100 is trading bearish and a sharper drop can be expected. In between this, we have to trade carefully. Do watch the next update before the US session for more details. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. And thank you very much. See you again before the US session update. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.